welcome to Straight Axle Dubs. Today I'm going to be replacing SG's blinker bulbs with some LEDs, so let's get going. Alright, so first up you got to remove your lens, which is 2 Phillips screws, so let's go ahead and do that. Remove the cover, the lens, and your bulb, which, so it has 2 tabs, so you push down, twist, and it pops right out. So let's go ahead and get the other bulb, and then we can compare and start replacing. All right, so I got the bulb out. And this is the new one I'm gonna be replacing it with. I got this off of eBay. I can link the description. Another thing to watch out for when ordering bulbs is, see, this is the old bulb. It's dual filament, so there's 2. This one has 2. I bought some, or we had some, and I tried to test them, but they were single filament, so it didn't work. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on in here, and then so we're gonna test it, and then we'll be able to see how bright it is, or how much brighter it is compared to the other one. So yeah, you can see that it's, you know, a lot brighter than the other one. If I put the cover, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one back together and then get started on swapping the other side. All right, so I'm gonna compare real quick. On later Beetles, the turn signal is also the marker light. So I'm gonna turn them on and you can see the comparison. So, you know, right off the bat, you can see the right, which is the driver's side, is a lot brighter than the old halogen style bulb on the left. So we're gonna go ahead and get the other one replaced. All right, so we are now on the passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the bulb out, pop the new one in, and do a quick test for sure. Alrighty. So that's the LED blinker bulb replacement. Pretty easy. Also, just as a safety, keep, you know, these old bulbs still work, so keep them with you. I'm gonna throw them in my spare parts suitcase just in case, you know, you need one or someone else may need one, and you never know. So go ahead and throw it back together. But thanks for watching, y'all.